Hi there, it's Shell, and I'm just have a quick haul video to show you guys. So we were trying to kill some time today, and we got to our Goodwill right as they opened, and we were able to be there for about half an hour or so, and I want to show you what I got. Let's see what this one is. I haven't seen those. So I got this whole box full of these cards. Oh, okay. I didn't think they all had the red around them, but they do. But I thought these would be perfect for either sending Christmas cards or to put in junk journals, and then you could slide like a picture inside the slot. I'm thinking that what these probably were like Santa, pictures with Santa or something, and they, would do the picture, print it out, and then stick it in this, and then give it. So I thought that was really cool. I have tons of these. If you guys would be interested in any of these, let me know, and I can put some of these in my Etsy store. So I got this huge box of them, probably well over 100 or pretty close to 100. And then I got this just little container. So I thought, I have all kinds of charms and things like that. And it was about $3. Yeah, $2.99 at our Goodwill. So I just thought that was a good buy. So I got that. And then I got these really cool Coca Cola playing cards from 1994. So they're kind of old. What, about 18 years old? No. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, about 24 years old. Wow. I had to do some math there, but geez, 24 years old. I was already graduated from high school by then. I feel old. So anyways, these are some Coca Cola Santa cards for junk journals or for whatever. So I thought these were really cute, and they were a pretty good deal. So this pack was open, the red one, and it has this little design. Let me just kind of leave it there so you can see that. It has that design on it, and then these have, it's a green one, and it has this little guy on it. So they're slightly different, so I think those are fun. And they don't have Coca-Cola like it says on this one, which is fine, because he is holding a glass bottle of Coca-Cola. So I thought those were really cool. So if you guys would be interested in any of these, also let me know, and I can put some of these in my Etsy shop too. So I thought those were really cool. And then I wanted to show you guys the jokers. Isn't that cool? I love that, just a black and white printing. So I got that. And the cute little tin that it comes in. So that was fun. Got a few more things. Let's see, I got these really cute, they're tags, to and from tags, and they're kind of, I think they are like felt and wood. So I thought those would be awesome for next year for a junk journal or for my December daily this year. I thought that would be really neat. I got a few books, and I got this paper. So I really love that, especially with the cardinal. So I thought that would just be fun. And then just some books that I thought were kind of fun. I love the little mouse right there. This one's called If You Give a Mouse a Cookie. So I thought that would be really fun for a journal. So I'm trying to be really picky on the books and stuff that I get now, because I do have so many of them. And I love this one. It's called Once Upon McDonald's Farm. And I love the illustrations in here, but you know, we live on a farm. We have goats and chickens and cats and skunks. We saw skunks the other day. So, I thought this would be really fun to make a journal out of, you know, just for those of us who do live on farms. And then I got the Tales of Peter Rabbit and His Friends. And I just love Peter Rabbit. I think he's so fun. And this one's from 1984. So, let's see. There we go. So it's not that old. You know, I guess it is about 34 years old. Tell you, when you do the math, sometimes it's kind of scary there. So I got those 3 books. Let me see what else I got. The only other thing I got was this kind of tapestry. And so it has this all the way down. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has like 8 of these, 8 sections. And I was thinking, wouldn't that be a gorgeous cover to a Christmas book? So, and I've already kind of figured it out where I can make 'Twas the Night kind of the front of the book, and Before Christmas the back of the book. So we'll see how that works. Again, this is for Christmas for next year. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. We had a lot of fun today, and we had a chance to go and just spend a little bit of time at the thrift store. I also got some jeans and like a bathroom rug. But I figured you guys don't have to see all of that. So that's really all I had to show you guys, and I just wanted to share and pop in. And if I don't see you before Thanksgiving, you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.